Hello friends! Just a quick video today because I wanted to unbox my Plum Paper planner with you. So normally I use this huge 8.5 by 11 planner, but I have been so crazy busy this year that I haven't been using it to its full potential. So I decided to downsize this year and get a smaller one. This is how they come. Nice bubble wrap. They always wrap it so nicely. And it comes with this nice sheets. Their paper is beautiful, and get special offers and stuff. Aww. It's cute. What a cute size. I think this is the 7 by 9 maybe. I like it. So let me try to get them side by side and you can see the size difference. So I customized this and I got my initial and put the year on it. It's got the nice tabs for the months. You can choose, they have a couple different color options for that. And each month starts with this page. And then you have the month spread. And then I did it this way this time. I just did this simple sheet. And then the days. And then, because I'm just going to write a to-do list. I thought that would be simpler for me. So I am not trying to feel, so I don't end up feeling guilty about not using all of the cool boxes in the other one. And it just has that for each week. So it's the same layout for each week. And I did mine from August 23 to July of 24. So here's July. So that's the end. And then you can choose bonus things to put in the back. So I put the wedding planner in the back of mine since I'm planning my wedding. So I'm so excited. I imagine that it's not incredibly involved because it's just a little extra you can put in the back, but I figured it would be helpful. So it has different things to do at certain time periods leading up to your wedding. So I'm going to enjoy checking that out later. Nice. And oh, and it also has a spot for a budget. Well, that's cool. And a list where you can write down who your music and photography and all that stuff is coming from. Wow, it even has space for a wedding guest list. Handy. Has space for 250 people. Oh, that's cool. It has a wedding day emergency checklist. Stuff to make sure you pack. Cool. Like deodorant and breath mints. Huh. And it has contact information for your bridesmaid, groomsmen, ushers, all the things. Wow, it's more involved than I thought it would be. It's got blank pages for writing down ideas. Wow, that's fun. That's like way cooler than I thought it would be. And in the back of the planner, this is normal, they always put this in the back, are some papers for taking notes. You can put in your contacts. And a very cool thing is this little sleeve, so you can put stickers and stuff in the back, which I do. I like that. I like using stickers when I'm not completely overwhelmed. So I hope you enjoyed unboxing my new 7 by 9 Plum Paper planner with me. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for future adventures. Have a great day.